Welcome back. This video is going to cover setting a project in Maya. I know that we're all very eager to begin using this program because it is amazing, but there's something that we all need to do before we start that process, and it's very important that you do this and get into a habit of doing this every time you start a new Maya project, or else you're going to lose track of your work. You could possibly lose a project. It could be very bad for you. What I'm talking about is setting a project. So under File and Project, you're going to see something called a project window and Set Project. Set Project is if you already have an existing Maya project from, say, a coworker or a friend, and you're wanting to open it, and you want to go in and set all the folders where all of your assets are. We're going to look at the project window first, and then you'll see what I mean. So before you start any project, you'll open up this project window, and you'll see it says current project and location. It's very important that we change both of these things, because when we get to our render engine, which is RenderMan, there are very specific rules for how we do this. The first rule is that you can't have any spaces or underscores in your project name or the save location. So you can't have a folder that's, Mr. T's stuff. No spaces, no apostrophes, no special characters. This may seem like a weird rule, but it's something that is industry-wide, so just get used to doing it. So new project, again, no underscores, so we're going to go with introduction, and always change the location, okay? I can't tell you how many times students have rendered out something, a scene, a movie, and they don't know where their project saved their files to. These folders are all going to get auto-created when you create this project. The things you render will usually go into the images folder. Any other assets that you have will go into these specific ones. So it's very important that you know where you are saving your work. So I'm going to click this folder icon, and this is an example of setting a project. So we talked about a second ago, when you set a project, you would look for these folders and then click Set. So what I'm going to do now is just go to my desktop, and I'm going to go and make a new folder up here, and I'm going to go example project. Notice again, there are no spaces, there are no special characters. Okay? And I'm going to double click it and click select. That's good, that's good. I hit accept. It has set the project. However, this file has still not saved yet, the current Maya file. So I'm going to go File, Save Scene As, and you'll notice when I do that, if I have set the project, you'll notice it puts it exactly in that folder I told you it would, Introduction, and then into Scenes. So again, because we have those very specific render rules, you cannot have a space for special characters in the file name either. So Introduction Project. No spaces, no underscores. Save As. And now it updates up here, and you can see the path right there, and we're good to go. I will continue to push this point in class and remind you guys that I don't know where you save your stuff, and that you should never ever have the underscores or the spaces or special characters. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.